Hey everybody, what's going on? Good afternoon and welcome back to Dave Does Pools, where I gotta do this video quick because I'm trying to beat the rain, but fixing another guy's mess. Some other dude installed this Hayward Super Pump for this nice old lady's pool. Left it like that, didn't replace the wires, didn't wire it up right, and every time the timer was coming on, shorting out, smoking, and tripping the breaker. And I know this because when I got here on Thursday, after she gave me a call, wanted me to take a look at it and help get her pool cleared up because it went green because the pump was never running. Opened the sub panel, breaker was tripped, turned the breaker on, turned the timer on, started smoking. Shut it down immediately and scheduled her to fix all this up. And that's just absolutely ridiculous, isn't it, guys? So, got some new flex conduit, gonna put on there, new liquid tights, all new wire. Get it done right. And stop doing this. This is stupid. Don't fucking do that. In fact, don't even use stranded wire. Just use solid copper. Takes up too much space and then you end up doing this instead of just trying to get it under the screws. All right, well, see y'all later. Let me get to work. Thanks for watching.